Hi people, welcome to microwavemasterchef.com. Another recipe presentation for you. Today we're going to cook a microwave cinnamon bun in a mug. Yeah, it's a fun way to cook a little mini cake. You want to know, we're looking at 5 minutes. The video might take longer because I'm just describing things as I go along. You know how it is. So first of all, what did we say? You need 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm not going to bother using a spoon because you know what a tablespoon looks like. Oh, it's done. Because that, I don't think that's enough. But we improvise. We add a little bit of golden syrup. This is the alternative ingredient you can use. So I'll put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup in there. Now, what was next? So we need 1 tablespoon of milk. Dash a little bit of milk in there. And the flour, we're gonna go for a 1/4 cup of flour. So we just fill up the cup till it's 1/4 full. I don't even need that much, to be honest with you. It's enough. About 1/4 in it. What do you think? Is that about 1/4? Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, what's next? Bit of vanilla essence. Let's put a little drop of this in. It says generally, let's put a little, I'll do it. It's very potent stuff, this vanilla essence. It smells beautiful too. And we want some cinnamon. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon in there. Give it that cinnamon flavour. Tiny bit of nutmeg. And a real small amount of salt. Tiny amount of salt. Right, so what you're going to do now, we blend it all together in the cup. Use a fork for that. Blend it all in until we get a nice smooth paste. Cake mixture. Make sure you get it blended nicely so there's no lumps of flour. I'm saying, yes. Mix that, get it all around the edge so there's nothing clinging to the sides that hasn't got mixed in yet. So yeah, this is what we've got. Lovely stuff. Okay. So we put that in there, so make sure we don't waste any. Alright. Rest that down there for now. Alright, the next stage, let's just put it in our microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds, that's it. So we'll set it on full power. 1 minute. 1 minute 20 seconds there. In fact, let's do it for 1 minute. If we need any further time, we'll add some more later. And we just press start. You know, if you want, you can try putting raisins in the mixture, give it that little fruity feeling. You can top it with some hundreds and thousands if you've got any, or some other stuff to make it look a bit more pretty. You can try, you can experiment. Like with cooking, you just experiment, you try a thing, as you say. How's that coming along? Whoa, yeah, definitely rising. Let's give it another couple of seconds, 10 seconds. And I'll show you what else you can put on there if you want. If it's someone's birthday, you can put a little birthday candle on there. Give that to them. Got these soft silver pearls. Try to put in those in the top. Anyway, where are we? Let's see what we have here. Whoa, you see that? That. That's looking good. Watch that now. A little cake, a little mini cake. See? Let it cool down if you want. If you want, you can eat it hot. It's fine. It's up to you. Me, I can never eat a cake without a cup of tea, so I'm gonna put the kettle on. So once it's cooled down a little bit, you can remove it from the cup. Put that down there. If you want to make it look a bit more presentable, you can trim off the edges. But I'm not going to bother with all that. It's only for me. And I'm going to put in a little candle. Little silver candle. Yeah, I normally put in the holder thing, but right in the bottom of the thing there, I can't really be bothered, to be honest with you. But you can now if you want. Put in a few sprinkly things. Yeah. They go around the edge like that. I like the way it's got that little rim, actually. Didn't know that was going to happen. That's how it goes. So there you get there, you put those in, and light the candle. So if it's anyone's birthday today, while you're watching this, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, whoever you are, happy birthday to you. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's microwavemasterchef.com. Tune in next time. Yeah, well, here's an idea, right? Let's add a little bit of icing sugar on there as well, just to give it that extra touch of, that extra finesse. Sprinkle it on there, you know, like how they do in the telly with those celebrity chefs. And they sprinkle on the icing sugar and make it go all over the plate. Don't know why, but look at that. Shake that out. Stick that candle back in there again. Haha. Yeah. Alright, have a closer look at that. Just let me know what you think. Looks good, doesn't it? And you know it's gonna taste good because I made it. I think we're onto a winner here, people. We've got the cake here. It looks cakey. It's a crumbly cake. That's it. Crumbly cake. Tastes nice. Tastes nice. But I don't know. Tastes alright. But I'm not convinced.